Fnirsi soldering irons combine modern technology, compact designs, and precise temperature control to deliver efficient performance for electronics repair and DIY projects. With fast heating, smart displays, and portable features, they are a great choice for makers and professionals who need reliable soldering power. Here are the top 3 Fnirsi soldering irons you should consider today. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 3. Fnirsi HS-01 soldering iron. What makes a portable soldering tool truly stand out is its ability to deliver workstation-level performance without sacrificing convenience, and this smart soldering iron achieves that balance remarkably well. Designed for electronics enthusiasts, repair technicians, engineers, and hobbyists alike, it combines fast heating, precise temperature control, and a compact form factor that is easy to carry anywhere. Whether repairing delicate circuit boards, assembling electronic projects, or performing quick maintenance in the field, it provides the responsiveness and reliability needed to complete soldering tasks with greater confidence and efficiency. One of its biggest strengths is the powerful 65-watt USB Type-C power delivery support, allowing the soldering iron to heat rapidly while maintaining stable operating performance. Instead of waiting several minutes for the tip to reach working temperature, it becomes ready in a much shorter time, helping users begin projects almost immediately. The efficient heating system also maintains consistent temperature during continuous use, reducing fluctuations that could affect solder quality. This dependable performance makes it suitable for everything from fine electronic components to larger solder joints requiring sustained heat. Precision is another area where the device performs exceptionally well. The adjustable temperature range from 80 to 420 degrees Celsius allows users to fine-tune heat output according to different materials and soldering applications. Lower temperatures are ideal for delicate electronic work, where sensitive components require extra care, while higher settings provide enough power for heavier connections and demanding repair jobs. Accurate temperature adjustment helps reduce the risk of overheating components while improving solder flow and producing cleaner, stronger joints with greater consistency. The integrated 0.87-inch OLED display significantly improves the user experience by presenting important operating information in real time. Temperature settings and power status remain clearly visible throughout operation, allowing quick adjustments whenever needed. This visual feedback helps users maintain precise control during soldering, while improving overall safety and reducing the chances of accidental overheating. Having critical information readily available contributes to a smoother and more professional workflow during both simple repairs and complex electronic assembly. Another impressive advantage is its broad compatibility with power sources. Supporting an input voltage range from 9 to 24 volts, the soldering iron works seamlessly with USB Type-C power delivery chargers, compatible adapters, and portable power banks. This flexibility makes it an outstanding choice for technicians who frequently travel or perform repairs outside a traditional workshop. Despite its powerful capabilities, the lightweight and compact construction makes transportation effortless, fitting comfortably into a tool bag or backpack without adding unnecessary bulk. Combining rapid heating, accurate temperature control, an informative OLED display, flexible power compatibility, and outstanding portability, this smart soldering iron delivers dependable performance that meets the needs of professionals and hobbyists while making precision soldering faster, easier, and considerably more convenient. Pros: fast heating, OLED display, adjustable temperature, portable design. Cons: PD required, small display. Number 2. Fnirsi HS-02 soldering iron. There is a noticeable difference when a portable soldering iron delivers the speed and precision normally expected from a full desktop station, and this model does exactly that. Designed for professionals, electronics enthusiasts, and repair technicians, it combines powerful heating performance with intelligent temperature control in an incredibly lightweight form. Whether assembling electronic circuits, repairing mobile devices, maintaining computer hardware, or working on DIY projects, it provides dependable performance that helps complete delicate soldering tasks with greater confidence and efficiency. The most impressive feature is its powerful 100-watt heating capability, allowing the soldering iron to reach operating temperature remarkably quickly while maintaining stable heat throughout demanding applications. Fast heat recovery ensures that the tip remains at the selected temperature even during continuous soldering, reducing interruptions and producing cleaner, more reliable joints. This consistent performance is especially valuable when working on larger connectors, thicker wires, or extended repair sessions where temperature stability directly affects solder quality and overall efficiency. Its adjustable temperature range from 100 to 450 degrees Celsius provides excellent flexibility across a wide variety of soldering applications. Lower settings are suitable for sensitive electronic components that require careful heat management, while higher temperatures offer sufficient power for heavier electrical connections and more demanding repair work. The precise temperature adjustment allows users to match heat output with different solder types and materials, improving control while minimizing the risk of overheating valuable components. This versatility makes the soldering iron equally capable in professional workshops and home electronics benches. Modern USB Type-C compatibility adds another level of convenience by supporting both power delivery and quick-charge fast-charging protocols. Instead of depending on a dedicated power supply, the soldering iron works with compatible USB-C chargers, adapters, and portable power banks, making it an excellent companion for technicians who frequently work outside traditional workshops. This flexible power system allows users to carry a compact yet highly capable soldering solution wherever repairs are required, without sacrificing performance. The bright 0.96-inch IPS HD color display enhances usability by presenting real-time temperature information and operating status with excellent clarity. Important settings remain easy to monitor, allowing quick adjustments that improve both safety and soldering accuracy throughout every project. Despite its impressive capabilities, the entire unit weighs only 61 grams, creating an exceptionally lightweight tool that remains comfortable during prolonged use. Reduced hand fatigue allows better precision during detailed soldering, while making extended repair sessions much more comfortable. Combining rapid 100-watt heating, accurate temperature control, modern USB-C fast charging, a vibrant color display, and outstanding portability, this smart soldering iron offers a professional-level experience that delivers speed, precision, and reliability for virtually every electronics repair and assembly task. Pros: powerful heating, color display, precise control, ultra lightweight. Cons: PD charger, no stand. Number 1, and the winner is Fnirsi HS-03 soldering iron.
Having the freedom to solder wherever the job takes you without sacrifice in precision or performance can completely change the way repair and assembly work is approached, and this smart soldering iron is built with exactly that goal in mind. Combining cordless convenience with dependable heating performance, it offers a practical solution for electronics technicians, engineers, makers, and DIY enthusiasts who need flexibility without compromising accuracy. Whether repairing delicate circuit boards, assembling custom electronics, or handling maintenance work in the field, it delivers the control and reliability required for professional quality results.
One of its biggest advantages is the ability to operate in both cordless and wired modes. This flexible design allows users to switch between unrestricted mobility and continuous powered operation, depending on the task at hand. Wireless mode is especially valuable for field repairs, outdoor projects, or workspaces where power outlets are difficult to access, while wired operation provides uninterrupted performance during lengthy soldering sessions. The ability to alternate between both modes gives the tool exceptional versatility, making it suitable for nearly every working environment without forcing users to compromise between convenience and endurance. Temperature control is equally impressive, offering an adjustable operating range from 100 to 450 degrees Celsius. This broad range makes the soldering iron suitable for everything from delicate electronic components to heavier electrical connections requiring greater heat. Precise temperature adjustment helps protect sensitive circuits while ensuring proper solder flow and durable joints. Stable heat delivery throughout operation contributes to consistent performance, allowing users to complete intricate soldering work with greater confidence and improved accuracy across a wide variety of applications. Another standout feature is the replaceable battery system, which significantly extends productivity during demanding projects. Instead of waiting for the tool to recharge after the battery is depleted, users can simply replace the battery and continue working almost immediately. This practical approach minimizes downtime and makes the soldering iron particularly valuable for professionals handling multiple repair jobs throughout the day. The cordless capability combined with replaceable power ensures continuous operation, even in locations where charging opportunities are limited. Compatibility with T210 soldering tips further enhances its practicality by giving users access to a wide selection of tip styles for different soldering requirements. Whether working on fine-pitch electronics, general circuit board repairs, or larger electrical connections, changing tips is quick and convenient. This adaptability allows the soldering iron to support a broader range of professional and hobby applications while maintaining consistent performance. Backed by CE certification, it also provides additional confidence in its safety and manufacturing quality. Bringing together dual operating modes, adjustable temperature control, replaceable battery convenience, wide tip compatibility, and dependable construction, this soldering iron offers an outstanding balance of portability, flexibility, and professional-level performance for users who demand reliable results wherever their projects take them. Pros: dual modes, replaceable battery, wide temperature, T210 compatible. Cons: battery separate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.